Beauty. Beauty isn't about having a pretty face. It's about having a pretty mind, a pretty heart, and a pretty soul. No beauty shines brighter than that of a good heart. These kind of sentences sound sweet to hear, but in reality, the world has always been impressed by the glamour, and a very few people care about the inner beauty of a person. It would be apt to say that beauty lies in the eyes of the beholder. We find the similar kind of theme in the story The Model Millionaire, written by Oscar Wilde. A very pleasant morning to all of you. Welcome to your English class. Today we are going to discuss the chapter The Model Millionaire, written by Oscar Wilde. Oscar Wilde was an Irish playwright, novelist, poet, and a short story writer. He was one of the most successful playwrights during his lifetime, and even today he is famous for his works. In the story The Model Millionaire, the writer Oscar Wilde tries to show the true face of the contemporary, the modern society. At the beginning of the story, he says that there is no value of beauty unless a person is wealthy or rich. Even the inner beauty fails in front of the charm of money, and this is the greatest truth of the modern life. The Model Millionaire is the story of a young man, Huey Erskine, who was handsome, charming, kind, but unlucky one, as he didn't have any permanent source of income. He tried his hand at several businesses but was not successful. Moreover, he was in love with a beautiful girl, Laura, who was the daughter of a retired colonel. Huey and Laura both loved each other and wanted to marry. Even the colonel liked Huey very much, but he didn't want his daughter to marry a person who wasn't economically sound. The colonel demanded Huey to earn £10,000 of his own, and then he would accept their marriage. Huey didn't have any permanent source of income except a few pounds which his aunt used to give him. So Huey was very upset and tense how he would be able to earn £10,000. Huey had a friend named Alan Trevor. Alan Trevor was a famous artist. Many people wanted him to paint their portraits. His paintings were quite expensive. One day, Huey visited Alan Trevor in his studio. At that time, Trevor was putting finishing touches to a wonderful life-sized portrait of a beggar man having wrinkled face and most piteous expressions. With one hand, he leant on a rough stick, while with the other, he was holding a hat as if he was begging. He looked sad and lonely. Huey got touched by the miserable condition of the beggar, and he was shocked to know that the beggar would get only 1 shilling per hour for being a model, and Alan Trevor himself would earn a huge amount from that portrait. He suggested Trevor that the model should have a percentage in the income, as the model was working as hard as the painter himself. He felt pity on the poor beggar and gave him all the little money he had in his pocket. That means he had to go home walking without having money for transport. The beggar was surprised and thanked Huey for his kindness. Later on, Huey met Alan Trevor at the Palette Club, and Alan Trevor told him that the old model was very much interested in him. Huey again offered Alan to give his old clothes to the beggar. At that time, Alan Trevor revealed the truth that the beggar, the model, wasn't a beggar in reality. He was Baron Hausberg, one of the richest persons of Europe. And Baron Hausberg was very much impressed by Huey's generosity. Huey felt ashamed of himself for giving a sovereign to a millionaire. Alan Trevor further told Huey that Baron Hausberg was too much interested in Huey. So Alan had to tell him everything about Huey and Laura. On this, Huey felt very bad and went home. Next day, Baron Hausberg sent a messenger to visit Huey. Huey requested the messenger to offer his sincere apologies to Baron. Then the messenger gave him a sealed envelope in which Huey found a check of £10,000. It was a wedding gift to Huey and Laura from Baron Horsburgh, the old beggar. Huey and Laura got married, and Baron Horsburgh was an honored guest in the function. Children, before reading the chapter or the story, if we look at the title of the story, The Model Millionaire, one may be mistaken that the author Oscar Wilde would have written about a person, about a model who became a millionaire through the profession as a model. But it is not so. Now, as you know the story of the chapter, you can understand that the author Oscar Wilde has written about a millionaire, Baron Horsburgh, who stood as a model for other millionaires to follow, as Baron Horsburgh helped the man Huey, who had helped him without knowing that the beggar was in reality one of the richest persons of Europe. On the other hand, Huey was also rewarded for his kind behavior, and because of that only, Huey was able to marry Laura. So, this was the story of the chapter, The Model Millionaire. I hope you found it interesting. Thank you very much.